Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's discussing topic is nutrition facts of coconut. Green coconuts are an excellent source of natural electrolytes such as potassium, magnesium, and sodium, which can help replenish fluids and maintain proper hydration. Green coconuts are rich in nutrients. They are helpful in weight management, are good for digestive health, have antioxidants, and their flesh also contains healthy fatty acids that aid brain function. Coconut water is also amazing for hydration and helps in maintaining electrolyte balance. The nutritional profile of a green coconut, also known as a young or tender coconut, differs from that of a mature coconut. Green coconuts have far less meat than mature ones. Instead, they're prized for their refreshing and healthy water. This article reviews green coconuts, including their health benefits and uses. The benefits of going green. Both green coconut water and meat offer impressive nutrition and health benefits. Packed with nutrition. The water and tender meat of green coconuts are packed with electrolytes and micronutrients. As a coconut ripens and transforms from mostly water to mostly meat, its nutrition content changes tremendously. A 3.5 ounce 100 ml or 100 gram serving of coconut water and raw coconut meat, respectively, provides coconut water, raw coconut meat. Calories 18,354. Protein less than 1 gram 3 grams. Fat 0 grams 33 grams. Carbs 4 grams 15 grams. Fiber 0 grams 9 grams. Manganese 7% of the daily value, DV 75% of the DV. Copper 2% of the DV, 22% of the DV. Selenium 1% of the DV, 14% of the DV. Magnesium 6% of the DV, 8% of the DV. Phosphorus 2% of the DV, 11% of the DV. Iron 2% of the DV, 13% of the DV. Potassium 7% of the DV, 10% of the DV. Sodium 4% of the DV, 1% of the DV. May prevent dehydration. Coconut water has a similar sugar and electrolyte composition to those of oral rehydration solutions, so it can be used to replace fluid loss from mild diarrhea. Also, many people prefer it to bottled sports drinks as a natural rehydration beverage. A study in 8 men who cycled in hot conditions for as long as they could determined that drinking coconut water allowed the participants to exercise longer, achieve a higher heart rate, and experience less dehydration, compared with a sports drink or plain water. Possible heart health benefits. Coconut water may help improve metabolic syndrome, which is a group of conditions that increase your risk of heart disease. Metabolic syndrome is characterized by high blood pressure, blood sugar, triglyceride, and LDL bad cholesterol levels, as well as low HDL good cholesterol and excess belly fat. In a 3-week study in rats with metabolic syndrome caused by a high fructose diet, drinking green coconut water improved blood pressure, blood sugar, triglyceride, and insulin levels. Researchers also noted higher levels of antioxidant activity in the animals' bodies, which they suggested may protect against oxidative damage to blood vessels. Rich in antioxidants. Both green coconut meat and water are rich in phenolic compounds, which are antioxidants that can reduce inflammation and prevent oxidative damage to your cells. In a test tube study, coconut water from one of the most common varieties of coconut protected cells from oxidative damage caused by hydrogen peroxide. Vitamins and micronutrients in coconuts, such as zinc, copper, manganese, and selenium, also help support your body's natural antioxidant defense system. Summary. The water and tender meat of young coconuts are very nutritious. The water can be used as a natural sports recovery drink. Plus, green coconuts contain nutrients and antioxidant compounds that may protect against cellular damage and heart disease. So friends, that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this articles. See you in the next one. Thank you.